How's it going? My name's Ben Albright. I'm with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Here today to show you the 2011 226 Chaparral that we just took in on trade. It's in excellent condition as far as interior goes. Powered by a 5.7 liter Volvo Pinta. Got an aftermarket tower on the top with kicker audio stereo system. So I took this out for you to see. You've got a starboard side walkthrough. You put this back here. Full wraparound cushion. This will fold all the way down for a complete sun pad, or you can put it up. Have a seat back right there. You have a table mount, comes with the table. You want to stop in the cove and eat lunch. Dual captain chairs on this model. It does have a windscreen. You've got a storage compartment with a bazooka tube down in there as well. As you can see in the front, you've got a table mount up here as well. Seats are in excellent condition. You've got 2 speakers up here. Again, this is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Come on down and see us. This is the 2011 226 Chaparral that we just took in on trade. Have a great day.